There's blue jays down, taking a worm. Blue jay down. Yay, Sparrow, you go. Okay. And Speedy's down, one of the two. But he'll probably come, no, he's going across the street. Speedy's returned for a second mealworm, I presume. And it's there from earlier. We got Speedy down first. Okay. We're at Fluffy's place. Fluffy's here. Here we go. Jay forgot treats today, so he's just giving her a bit of her breakfast here, and then he'll put the other bit over there. It's okay, Fluffy. Fluffy, it's okay. She said, no, it's not. Cars. Today's free food giveaway day, so the cars are lining up. They do it at the Lutheran Church. Okay, on one of the cluster trees at the Redwood Nest tree area. We have red-tailed hawk this morning. This is back to us mostly. We're just going to do a very brief video because nothing very exciting, just looking at the back of a hawk. It'd be nice if he turned around. But I don't think he's gonna. And he's over there. And a better angle of the red-tailed hawk that's over on the Redwood Nest tree cluster area. He's still mostly got his back to us, so just a quickie. And he's over there. back at Fluffy since she's here too. What's up? What's up? There's some food over there.
Yeah, I'm wondering.
Now she's not gonna do. Oh, I forgot. Sania does peanuts. Nope.
Nope, not her thing. Alright, come and get it.
Okay, right down and taking all three. Very good. No, not good. Yes, good.
Way north of Last Word Ranch, up on Hilltop, or Hillside, spotted one pair of turkeys. First turkeys we've seen in a while. And being just a pair, well, that's not many.
Alrighty, we have the western fence lizard, also known as a bluebelly, sunning on a piece of wood near the fence area that they go under the fence when they're startled or scared. I'm wondering if he's come to know our routine enough that we'll pass and Jay tosses out a live mealworm. So he's waiting for breakfast, maybe? I don't know.
And I saw the other one go under.
I did too. And this is not the one that went under the fence when Jay put the mealworms down. This is another one of the lizards.
Right where you just go up, never mind.